Good day, beautiful people. So I just wanted to give you a little update because about 3 months ago, I put an announcement out that I was going to be offering free 15-minute laser-focused coaching sessions. And I said I'd give you an update before the end of the year on how that experiment went. Now, when I originally made the announcement, I was greeted with a few skeptical emails around why would you give free coaching away? Are you devaluing this? Is this really going to be worth your time? And to that, my answer was, well, I don't do social media, so I have time for this. I'm not wasting 10 to 20 hours a week on posting, scrolling, etc. So I have time to do 2 hours worth of laser focused coaching sessions. I can't speak, but I can certainly coach. Anyways, so basically I set aside 6 spots every Friday. Typically I would have about 4 or 5 sessions every Friday morning they'd be 15 minutes each. I would send out notes afterwards with any additional links or any thoughts that I had. And it didn't take much time. And I will now give you the results of that experience. Now, before I give the results, I'll share my intentions. So one, I just want to be coaching more people more often. I wanted to make real connections with the people who are or have been on my email list, who are watching my YouTube videos, who are listening to my podcast episodes, because as you all know, unless people are actually engaging with you live or coming into your online community, you don't actually know who's paying attention to what you're doing. You just it's just numbers and names and emails, but you don't really know who is connecting with your message. And so for me, not being on social and not having those types of exchanges and only having, the intimate space of the Magic Mind, I wanted to really connect and see who the creators are on my list. And so I put it out there. I also, obviously, as a business move, I wanted to see if offering free 15-minute coaching sessions was an effective way to have people join my other trainings, programs, workshops, Magic Minds, partnerships, etc. And lastly, I wanted to finish my Fridays feeling the good vibes of knowing that you're doing good work in the world, knowing that I'm doing good work in the world, knowing that I'm actually helping, that the work I do actually matters in the world. And, because sometimes it's like, fuck, I love doing Magic Kids. That is fun. I can see the real world impact here. With this business coaching stuff, it's like, it's hit and miss sometimes. And sometimes I'm like, but when I'm working with people and I'm seeing breakthroughs and we're brainstorming and things are moving forward, I'm getting these beautiful gratitude-filled emails afterwards. I'm like, okay, this is worth it. This is worth my time. I feel good about this. So the results, despite some people starting the sessions like, I almost didn't sign up for this. I felt guilty asking for free coaching, receiving this free gift. And I'd be like, listen, I wouldn't do it if I didn't want to be doing it. I'm delighted. So just receive this and let's do it. But the results were amazing. I mean, every single session, I think I had 2 no-shows. So whoever you are, I'm waiting for our session. When we doing it? Why'd you no-show me? Just email me. Tell me you're not going to come. Other than the 2 no-shows, I connected with a lot of really epic humans, and most of which I'd never made a connection with in any of my workshops, inside any of my communities. It was so cool to make these connections, and breakthroughs happen. And I felt very, very good about it, and they felt very, very good about the exchange. And financially, it was a good business decision. Some people joined my Magic Mind. I know a bunch have been signing up for my Teach 2024 workshop, which you should be in if you want to teach way more in 2024 and apply a whole new model of workshop creation and delivery. Then go to magicmedia.com, MAJIK, media.com/teach-2024. It's my final workshop of the year, December 20th, 9:30 a.m. till noon Pacific, and it's going to rock. But regardless of that, I saw people signing up for that. I saw a bunch who took advantage of my Black Friday specials, and it's been great. I feel ridiculously awesome, and they feel great, and I'm going to keep doing it. So if you want some free coaching, then find my link. It's probably wherever you're watching this video or listening to this podcast episode, and book yourself in for a 15-minute coaching session. I'm probably out of sessions for the rest of the year, but you can get yourself in after the first week of January and I return from my glorious vacation. I hope you get some rest in as well. And this strategy, because I am going to continue with it, because it has been effective, I will be adding this to my thriving in business without social media workshop slides. So instead of 18 relationships based marketing strategies, it's now 19, because this has been glorious and effective, and it works, and I've been making sales. As a result, I've just shown up and offering free connection time and coaching time. So maybe this will inspire you to do the same. Do you have any thoughts? Do you have any comments, questions, etc.? Let me know. I'm here.